Hey there, curious minds. Ever wondered how your body turns that pizza slice into energy? Well, let's dive into the fascinating world of metabolism. Metabolism is like your body's internal engine. It's a collection of chemical reactions that keeps you alive and kicking. These reactions are split into two main types: catabolism and anabolism. Catabolism is the process of breaking down food into smaller molecules to release energy. Imagine it like a wrecking ball smashing a building to pieces. The energy released is what fuels every single activity in your body, from blinking your eyes to running a marathon. On the flip side, anabolism is all about building things up. It's like a construction worker using those smaller molecules to build new structures. This helps in growth, repair, and maintenance of cells and tissues. Think of it as assembling IKEA furniture, but on a microscopic scale. Now, these processes are constantly happening, and they're regulated by various factors. One big player is your basal metabolic rate, or BMR. This is the amount of energy your body needs just to keep vital functions going while you're at rest. Factors like age, gender, and muscle mass influence your BMR. But wait, there's more. Hormones also play a crucial role in regulating metabolism. Take insulin, for example. It helps cells absorb glucose, providing them with energy and aiding in fat storage. Then there's thyroxine, produced by the thyroid gland, which ramps up your metabolism. It's like the speed dial on your body's engine. Diet and exercise are also key. When you eat, your body goes through a process called the thermic effect of food, where it burns calories just to digest and process what you've eaten. And of course, physical activity boosts your metabolism by building muscle, which burns more calories even at rest. So, those workouts really do pay off. Now let's talk about something that gets a lot of buzz: metabolic rate and weight loss. Many people think a faster metabolism automatically means losing weight. But it's a bit more complex than that. Yes, a higher metabolic rate burns more calories, but lifestyle, diet, and even genetics play significant roles. Ever heard of metabolic adaptation? It's your body's clever way of adapting to changes in diet and activity level. If you cut calories drastically, your body might slow down its metabolism to conserve energy. It's like your body's survival mode kicking in. So, how can you support a healthy metabolism? Eating balanced meals, staying hydrated, getting regular exercise, and ensuring adequate sleep are great starting points. Remember, your body is like a finely tuned machine, and taking care of it will keep your metabolism running smoothly. There you have it, a quick tour of the complex yet fascinating world of metabolism. Next time you eat a meal or hit the gym, you'll know exactly what's going on behind the scenes. Keep those engines running and stay curious. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome content. Catch you in the next video.